Hey guys, this is Dustin. I just wanted to explain a little bit of something to you guys about using Wechslers and Brian's Varieties, Variety Vista, all those. I just wanted to explain a little bit about this, okay? Um, you always have a lot of people asking questions, is this a double die? It's probably the most well known question that we have in, uh, in our group, in my opinion. So I'm going to explain a few things. Hopefully, it will help you guys out. All right. If you notice on this coin here, this is a 1972 WDDO-001. It's best of variety. See here, it says best of variety. And what I really wanted to get across is there's for the 1972 especially, there's a lot of different kinds of double dies. And if you notice, this one is clockwise. So it's going this way. This way here. Okay? Alright, and then you come down here. Get down here. This one is a 1972 WDDO-002. It's also a best of variety. And if you look here, it says CCW, spread. That means counterclockwise, for anybody that didn't know that. Okay, see, this is your original here. So I made a mistake on the other one. The other one was going this way. This one here is going this way. Okay? You can see here, this is the doubling right here. Here, 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 and here. Okay? So, what I'm trying to get across is, let's say that you think you have one of these, okay? There's tons of them, but I'm just going to use these two as an example because it's got two different, one's going clockwise, one's going counterclockwise, okay? So I'm just going to use this as an example to kind of explain what I'm talking about. If you think you have a 1972 double die, okay? First thing you want to look at when you get to Wechsler's is which way is your doubling going? And does it match any of these pictures? Because on a double die, it is going to be exactly the same doubling because it was made from the same die, okay? So I just want to get that across. So if your doubling's going this way to the left, then you know it's going clockwise. So let's say that the coin that you have is going counterclockwise. So you're going to run down until you find one. Okay, dun dun dun, going down, going down. Okay, here's the DDO-002. We know already that it's going to be counterclockwise. So you're going to look at it and match your coin up and match your doubling. Is it the same distance apart from here to here? If not, then you're going to go down. If none of your stuff matches, you're going to keep going. Scroll down. Go down to your next one. See, you have your stage A and your stage B's as well, but we'll get into that another day. I don't want to get you guys confused. Okay, here is a WDDO-003. It's clockwise. Alright, if you notice the difference, look how small the spread is on going clockwise compared to the WDDO-001. You notice how much smaller of a spread it is. This is what I want to get to you guys. So if your coin matches the same doubling, same distance apart from the original letters, that is your first clue that this could be the double die that you believe you have. All right? So you would go down check all the other letters, make sure they all match, because they're all going to be the same. You know, you might have some that's wore down more than this coin, but you'll be able to tell the difference. And you're going to check them all, make sure it's all the same distance apart, and let's say that it matches perfect. All your letters are just perfect. Everything's matching. Now what are you going to do? Now you got to check for your die markers. Alright? So we'll just go here. Die markers. Obverse stage A. We'll just say that you got the stage A. 2 parallel die scratches. Let's see here. Okay. Says 2 parallel die scratches, one very short. Extend northeast from the top of the 1 in the date. A short die scratch extends northeast from the top of the E in Liberty. Alright, so we're going to go down here. I know, I'm sorry about all the silliness. Alright, so right here, I know, it's probably kind of hard for you guys to see. But, you can see the little arrows. There's a die marker, a scratch, from there to there. And then right underneath it, there's another one that goes from here to there. So what you're going to do is you're going to try and match that marker up to what you have. And if it's not there, it might not be the same one. But it still could be, because sometimes die markers don't match up. That's why there's always a few to check. If you see here, there's another one right above the E in Liberty. It goes from here to right to the top of the E. And then you're going to check for that one. But let's say that this one matches, this one matches, and then you got a little die gouge right here, if you can see where my mouse is. There's a little die gouge right there. Let's say that that one is not there. That doesn't mean that this is not your coin. It just means that it might have been braided away, polished off. Could have been damaged and the wear wore it off. Could be anything like that. So, but my main tip that I want you guys to get from this is to check the distance of your doubling. If you think you have a double die, no matter what year it is, go to Wexler's, find that year, and see if there's a double die with doubling that is identical to yours. And if it is, chances are you got a double die. But that's all I have today. I just wanted to kind of explain a little bit of that to you guys. I hope it made sense. Feel free to leave me some comments. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'd be more than happy to help you guys out. If you liked the video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you guys watch my videos all the time. I try and make a few every week at least. I also do some metal detecting as well. And if there's any other things you guys would like me to, touch base on, I'll definitely be interested in listening to you. And I'll make a video for you and try and help you guys out, okay? Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Until next time. Later.